Let's test your memory and knowledge. Can you recall how many bones make up the human body? 206 bones in total, and today we'll learn how to count them systematically. First, focus on the axial skeleton, which supports and protects the central body parts. We'll start with the skull, counting all bones carefully. The skull consists of 8 cranial bones and 14 facial bones that totals 22 bones in the skull alone. Next, the hyoid bone, a single bone in the neck that supports the tongue, adds 1 more to our count. Then the ear ossicles, 3 tiny bones in each ear, which are 6 bones in total, include malleus, incus, and stapes on both sides. Now move to the vertebral column, which has 33 vertebrae, but only 24 are movable bones. Cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacrum, and coccyx combined. The sacrum consists of 5 fused bones, and the coccyx of 3 to 4 fused bones, so count them as 1 in total. Let's add these to the vertebral count. The sternum or breastbone is a single bone, and the ribs are 12 pairs, adding up to 24 bones. This completes the axial skeleton count. So the axial skeleton roots us with 80 bones: skull, 22, plus hyoid, 1, plus ear ossicles, 6, plus vertebral column, 24, plus sternum, 1, plus ribs, 24. Now move to the appendicular skeleton, which includes the pectoral girdles, limbs, and pelvic girdle. Let's start with the pectoral girdle. The pectoral girdle has 2 clavicles and 2 scapula, total 4 bones. These connect the limbs to the axial skeleton. Next, the upper limbs, each comprising the humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. Count carefully: 1 humerus, 1 radius, 1 ulna, 8 carpals, 5 metacarpals, 14 phalanges per limb. Multiply these by 2 for both sides. That totals to 64 bones in both upper limbs. Now the pelvic girdle is formed by 2 hip bones called ossa coxae, which are fused from ilium, ischium, and pubis. Add these 2 bones, and you have the pelvic girdle, which supports the lower limbs. Finally, the lower limbs contain the thigh bones, femur, kneecaps, patellae, tibia, fibula, tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. Count: 2 femurs, 2 patellae, 2 tibia, 2 fibulae, 14 tarsals, 10 metatarsals, and 28 phalanges, totaling 62 bones in both lower limbs. Adding all these parts together: axial skeleton, 80 bones, plus pectoral girdle, 4, plus upper limbs, 64, plus pelvic girdle, 2, plus lower limbs, 62. Total bones in the human body sum up to 206. Amazing, isn't it? Now it's your turn. Revise this step-by-step counting method and master your human skeletal system very well for NEET exams. Remember, clear understanding and memorization of the skeleton are key to scoring high. Keep practicing and excel in NEET.